How to unsubscribe from Google Play service. The Google Play service provides a variety of applications, games, and multimedia content for users of Android devices. However, there may come a time when you want to unsubscribe from a particular service on Google Play. This can be paid service or subscriptions that you no longer need. Here is an easy guide explaining how to unsubscribe from Google Play service. Open Google Play Store. Access the subscription list. Press downward facing button located in the upper left corner of the screen to open the option menu. Choose subscriptions. Choose subscription from pop-up menu. You will shown a list of all subscriptions to which you have subscribed. Manage subscription. Select the subscription you wish to cancel, then unsubscribe. After that, confirming cancellation, and you will receive a confirmation of cancelled subscription.